Hey guys. I don't know why I laughed, but welcome back to my channel. I'm Mr. Boppin or Malika, and in today's video I'm doing something crazy and I'm going to wash a couple of the projects I've made. I'm not washing them like strategically. I'm literally just throwing them in the washer and throwing them in the dryer and seeing how they come out, just so you guys can see if washing. I know a lot of people ask if they can wash their projects and they're kind of scared to wash it, so I'm going to be the good person that I am and I'm going to take that risk and just wash a couple of my sweaters that have different fibers, so you guys can see if you should wash it or if you shouldn't, because I can always make more if it messes up. But I'm doing this video for you guys because I know I've seen a lot of comments wondering if you can wash your sweater, if you can, and how to do it. So I'm just gonna wash it, dry it. I'm not air drying it. I'm literally washing, drying in a washer and dryer. So I'm gonna show you guys the sweaters. I'm gonna put it on before I wash all of it, and then after it's dried, I'll put it on to show you guys how it comes out. But this is a knit sweater my sister made using alpaca. I'm pretty sure she used alpaca, so that's this sweater. So we'll see how this comes out. This sweater is with merino wool and mohair. So this is a merino wool and mohair sweater. This sweater is 100% acrylic, and I think it's impeccable yarn or red heart, but I'm sure it's impeccable. My sister made it, so I'm not really sure, but I know it's acrylic, so there's that. And then my other sister made a knit sweater that's alpaca, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so yeah, this one is like alpaca and something else, but alpaca blend kind of deal going on. And actually I'm gonna wash this patchwork sweater too, just so you guys can see how patchwork does, because I don't know if it's different from, you know, regular sweaters. So I want to cover all my bases, and I'll just wash this patchwork sweater so you guys can see how it'll come out. So I'm going to try them on so you can see how it fits, how big or small it is, before I wash it and dry it. So let's get it. Okay, so this is how this sweater fits, like this. Okay, this is the next sweater. Then we have this sweater. Then we have this Weasley sweater. And then we have this sweater. Okay, so I have all the sweaters I'm gonna wash, and let's wash. I don't know why I'm doing this, but let's go wash all of these sweaters. Okay, so the clothes just finished washing, so let's go see and put it in the dryer. So far, so good. So let's put it in the dryer and see how it turns out. Okay, clothes are in the dryer, so let's try it. Delicate. And start. Okay guys, the dryer stopped, so I'm going to go get the clothes and then come back here to show you guys how everything turned out after washing and drying it. I'm already laughing because I saw how two of the sweaters came out already, but I'll show it last. But anyway, so let's start. First of all, I have fluff everywhere, but let's start with this sweater. It is washed and dried, so let's see how that came out. Okay, not bad. So this sweater is mohair and merino wool, and this is how it looks washed and dried. And you can go in the beginning to see how it looked like in the beginning, but this is how it looks washed and dry. I'm actually surprised. It looks like it stayed nice. Like there's a little, well, kind of a lot of fuzzies. Let me see if you guys will be able to see. Like all that fuzziness. I can like pull it. But other than that, I think it shrunk a little bit, but not like noticeably because it was already kind of oversized. So it really just tightened. I don't know, like it still feels good and has that slack that was still there. And yeah, this turned out really good, so that's surprising. So again, this is merino wool and mohair combined. So that's this sweater. So let's go on to this. This is 100% acrylic, either impeccable or red heart. No, it's impeccable yarn. So let's see how this one turned out. Okay, this feels normal. It feels normal. Fuzzies are everywhere, by the way. Okay, let me put it right here. Okay, so it feels normal and it feels good. Like, in my opinion, you can 100% wash acrylic and it'd be fine, because this, right, only on delicate though. I don't know about the other cycles, but I know delicate, wash and dry, perfect. It didn't shrink. It feels good. Like, this feels really, really good. Like, it didn't shrink at all. It's just surprising. So if you guys want to wash your acrylic projects, I personally think it's safe to do so, because literally this did not budge at all. It kind of seems like it didn't wash and dry at all, but it does feel softer. So I think you honestly should wash it maybe, because it feels super, super soft and softer than it was before I washed it. So that's good and surprising. I'm kind of happy about that. I don't know why. Okay, so next, I need to stop laughing. Okay, so next we have the Weasley sweater. Like I said, there's fuzzies everywhere because of my sister's knit sweaters. But we'll get to that next. So this is the Weasley sweater. And again, this is acrylic, so literally it looks fine. It's softer, it feels good, it didn't shrink whatsoever. And it doesn't have like anything messed up in it, like no pulled stitches or anything. Like, it literally looks good, it feels good. So I would say it is safe to wash your projects. Like, it's literally fine. No air drying, no nothing. And this has intarsia, or I cannot think of the word for designs on projects, but it has that and it's still fine. So that is so good to know, because I honestly didn't really know that. And look at all these fuzzies. Anyway, on to the last two sweaters, which the yarn they use is alpaca. One's fully alpaca and then the other is like alpaca and some other blend that with alpaca, but I'm gonna show you. I'm literally so weak right now. Oh my gosh, this looks like it was made for a toddler. Let me guys show you the other one. Oh my goodness. This is literally cracking me up. I can't look at it. It's so tiny. Let me put this up so you guys can see how small it is. This is so funny. So clearly you should not wash alpaca. Do not do that. But I'm so confused right now. I'm going to try and put this on for you guys to see. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh god. okay? What? So this is how the sweater looks now. I would highly not recommend you wash alpaca projects because it will shrink into a toddler size, and I'm not even a tall person, and it fits like this on me. So do not wash anything that has alpaca in it. Don't do it, because this one is 100% alpaca. So, and that's how it turned out, unless you want a crop top. But don't do it, guys. But that is hilarious. Oh my gosh, that was hilarious. So I'm gonna put this one on really quickly, and then we'll see how that fits. So let's get it. Oh. I'm still laughing. This is hilarious. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, guys. Okay. Oh my gosh. Same outcome. This. Oh my gosh, this is all in my hair. But this was the hardest thing to get in. Oh my goodness. Again, this is like alpaca blend with something, but it has alpaca in it. So like I said before, do not wash your alpaca projects, because this is how it will turn out if you do. This is hilarious. Like I fully did not expect it to shrink this much. Like I didn't even think it would shrink, but I don't really know much about the fiber, so maybe I should have expected that, but I didn't, and that made me laugh. Okay, hold on. Okay. Oh my gosh, fuzzies everywhere. That was literally such a good laugh. But anyway, I just wanted to make a video for you guys to see like what you can and can't wash, and I'm really glad that I found out that you should not wash alpaca. And if you do wash it, I think you're supposed to air dry it or something like that, but definitely not drying it. Definitely don't dry it, at least I know that. But I really hope this video was helpful for you guys and interesting, and again, thank you guys again. But that is the end of this hilarious video. It's hilarious to me, at least. So thank you guys so much for watching, and since you enjoyed it so much, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post another video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.